Ever since 1987, we've been making hard work easier. Our Miniloaders prevent strain and overload from physical labor for those active in, for example, construction, agriculture, and gardening. Innovation is part of our DNA. We meticulously follow the latest technological trends and continuously search for ways to make our machines even more powerful, efficient, versatile, and ergonomical. We develop high-quality Miniloaders, the perfect combination of robust and operable, designed to take on any challenge. SHERPA machines are the epitome of versatility, thanks to the various available attachments. This allows a single machine to be used for various industries and purposes, saving you space, time, and money. It is the ultimate power tool that adapts to your needs and offers flexibility in every situation. With our electrical machines, we are at the forefront of sustainability. With this innovation, we offer you more convenience and pleasure at work, but we also contribute to a greener future. A SHERPA is so much more than just a tool. It's your trusty workhorse that you can always count on to get the job done faster, easier, and more efficiently. And that makes your work even more enjoyable.